Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Want to Stay. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to reach out to the recruiters on LinkedIn app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the LinkedIn app on your phone. You can get it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Now open the app, sign in, and on the bottom of your screen, you can see Home, My Network, Post, Notifications, and Jobs. Under Jobs, you can find the recruiters posting for jobs. Now select the job you want to apply to. Once you select the job, you can see below there's LinkedIn Easy Apply option. You can either save and apply for it later, or you can tap on LinkedIn Easy Apply. Then you have to give your details like your email address, a country code, and your phone number. Now you have to answer the additional questions and tap on Next. Once you've answered the questions they've asked for, tap on Submit. And guys, that's it. That's how you contact the recruiters on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.